And now, a Studio 78 world premiere.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the BX-CTA16 Ultra Short Throw Lens, or A16 for short. First things first, we have to get the projector in the right mode for UST or Ultra Short Throw. Let's do that. Once the projector is powered on, press Exit Input Left Right. Once calibrated, the projector will automatically power off, and once it does, disconnect the power. Easy peasy. Now let's remove the standard bore sight, which is the metal ring thingy that your lens twists into inside the projector. Remove the 3 screws, and pull the bore sight out. Also disconnect the wiring harness like so. Great, now let's make sure that our A16's bore sight is in its initial state, and then we'll adjust it to fit our application. Turn gears A, B, and C counterclockwise until they stop turning. This is the initial state. Next, turn the gears clockwise the appropriate number of rotation for your projector's installation orientation. This can be found in your instructions here. Awesome! Now let's install the bore sight. Put the bore sight in place, put in the screws, and connect the wiring harness to the A16 bore sight. Now we've included some extra support pieces to increase stability in various applications, so let's install those. Let's start by raising all 3 elevator feet 5 rotations to make space for the supporter. Now we can attach the lens supporter to the 2 front mounting holes on the bottom of our projector. Next we have the lens mount bracket, which attaches to the A16 lens like so. Then we attach the bracket to the lens supporter. And now let's install the lens. Insert the lens with a bit of a counterclockwise rotation, and once it is flush with the bore sight, rotate clockwise. You should hear an audible click. Alright, we're almost there. Let's bring up our test pattern, do some adjustment and fine-tuning if necessary, and call it a day. After reconnecting power and turning on the projector, simply hit the pattern button on the remote. The test pattern comes up, and we can now use our zoom and focus controls to adjust the image. Zoom controls the back focus length, which will make the area of section 5, or the center box, clear and sharp. Focus controls the corners, or sections 1, 3, 7, and 9. Now if necessary, and it may well not be, you can use the included tools in the following steps to further adjust bore sight gears A, B, and C. Adjust bore sight gear B using the L-shaped tool to focus screen points 4 and 7. Adjust bore sight gear C using the L-shaped tool to focus screen points 6 and 9. Adjust zoom and focus to make screen points 1 through 3 clear. And adjust bore sight gear A using the L-shaped tool to make screen point 8 visible. And finally, let's attach the lens supporter to the lens mount bracket. And now you have an ultra short throw lens on your super bright laser projector. How cool is that? Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at OptomaUSA.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.